says right there, ring for sex. I'm ringing. I'm just curious, who am I doing it with?
Every ring when you have sex, it's not the bell itself. But those are ones.
Obviously, my obscene eyes went for this one. I didn't even catch the other one.
Okay, so we got.
What's up, guys? Pony Diamond here. Guess what? Happy late Friday. I guess you're watching this video. I'm gonna say happy Friday, but happy late Friday. So anyway, I'm on my way to the dentist early in the morning. I don't know why we booked it up this early. Holy shit! Just like always, roll out of bed, straight to dentist, and I hope I make it on time, man. Because kind of feel like I'm running late again. Anyway, let's go check this out. Taking the Shelby Beast today. Superstar. The Shelby Beast, superstar. So you can see there's no Diamond Beast. It's empty. Empty. Just the Shelby Beast. Meanwhile, there we go, close the buttress. Get out of here. Anyway, so I'm gonna be on the road now. Get on the freeway here. You guys get to, come along for the ride, like a little field trip. Do it. Okay, so look, basically, let me try to get a light here. So basically, last time they cleaned this side, right, and they only cleaned half of the, half of your mouth, and now because of the fact that they're gonna clean this other side, I'm gonna get a Invisalign. As you can see, there's a gap right there. Believe me, I could see myself have a gap on my tooth, on my teeth, in my mouth there. So that's what we're trying to get done. You guys gotta be, following me on my journey and having beautiful teeth. All for fucking YouTube. Do it. Good morning. Late, am I? You're the one?
Yep.
Today?
Room 1, first room.
Alright.
How you doing?
Scared.
Are you? Are you a little nervous?
I'm always nervous.
Be over here.
Oh.
First room. So, looks like we're gonna go filling and we're gonna cut on that lower left.
Yep.
So, we got you here.
Is it cleaning too and all that?
The cleaning afterwards, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you got all kinds of good stuff on.
I'm looking at this thing. All that shit. The equipment. Screen for the crown tooth, whatever. Superstar. This is bullshit. That right there is the numb banana thing. What is it? Gauzy?
Called Sedicate.
Gauze?
Oh, gauze. That's what that is.
So you don't have banana?
We only have banana.
No shrimp fried rice flavor?
No shrimp fried rice.
That wouldn't, it would smell good, huh?
No.
But it'll taste good for me though.
No.
No, it wouldn't.
And we can have some too.
No.
Shrimp fried rice flavor.
Would you ever go out with a guy that you saw his ugly ass teeth in here?
No.
So it's done.
Done.
Forget it.
No.
That's what I thought.
Disgusting. 100% no.
Especially you see it here.
Alright, so I just got off from this dentist. Kind of numb right here. They clean deep clean the whole mouth thing. Anyway, I told my dentist about the YouTube channel. They're cracking up. My doctor, his name is Dr. David, and he's extremely cool guy, very cool guy. So I had to warn him that my channel has a bit of profanity. He's not that kind of guy. So, Dr. David, you're watching this video. You did an awesome job. Thank you. And for that, you get this. Anyway, so you guys ever go to the dentist? Are you guys in Las Vegas? Come see Dr. David. I'm telling you, he's a cool guy. So the next thing is gonna be the Invisalign. Right there. You see how the gap right there in the teeth? My wife's like, "You really gonna talk about this kind of stuff?" Like, yeah. I think it'd be best to show you guys, how it all developed. I don't like to show the finished product. I think it's kind of cool that you can see how it all started. So as you can see, Invisalign right there. This is it. Look, I used to be homeless, man. I didn't care about this kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? This is all new to me, and the whole teeth hygiene. I brush my teeth and stuff, but they say you gotta floss every day, so make sure you do that. So there you go. Because of that, you know what? You get this bullshit. Chubby Beast, nice teeth. Shut up. Camaro, no! Not gonna beat the Shelby Beast. You know that. You know that. Okay, alright, I got you. Superstar.
You be recording everything, huh? Everybody. Don't put me on that joint. You already got me already, I can tell.
It's part of the surveillance.
Yeah.
You got a pen, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna write. I'm out of card.
20 on 6?
It's easier if I just write it.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's easy though. Pony Diamond.
Pony?
Diamond.
Pony Diamond.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cool, man. What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon.
All right,
I'm
man,
always here
look
doing my
up.
teeth.
Okay.
All right, man.
I'll lift you up.
All right, dude. Shameless plug. Gotta do it, man. It's hard work, dude. Nothing comes easy, you know what I mean? So now I was told from the wife to go get a couple boxes. So guess what? You're coming along with me. Since I gotta go to work, you're coming along. Do it. There's boxes. That's the place.
Before we discuss it.
It says right there, ring for sex. I'm ringing. I'm just curious, who am I doing it with?
Everything is a matter of perspective. So, how you read that, it said you get a ring when you have sex. And then this one here, it says the ring for wine.
Oh,
But those are
obviously my obscene eyes went for this one. I didn't even catch the other one.
Okay, so we got the 38308. I'll get your boxes for you.
Alright, so it looks like we're done for the day. I'm about to go bring all that shit up stairs to go clean it up. And meanwhile, just want to say thanks for watching the video. Shout out to you guys on Instagram as well, just hitting me up. Other than that, I just want to say, you know what? Like I said, I've been learning on a job. This whole teeth cosmetic thing. Next up is my facial thing I'm gonna do when I'm in Washington, though. So you're gonna check that out as well. this guy already looked pretty, so he's good. So anyway, if you like this video, please hit like and share. Of course, if you love Lamborghini, hit subscribe. If you love supercars, hit subscribe. Of course, if you love super trucks, like this guy, hit subscribe. And of course, if you love entrepreneurship, mentoring, and all that kind of stuff, you know the drill. Shelby Beast, same time. Hit subscribe.